Just Sawdust workshop. It's going to be some kind of a stringed instrument again. I've got this mahogany for a neck. How I make these necks is in a separate video made a while back, and I'm gonna put a description in the corner there, so a link so you can see how I make the necks. But I again make one without a fretboard, so the frets are going to be in this mahogany straight away, and for that I had to make a recess because of course the box has a thickness. So let's see how we get on with this and make ourselves a 3-string olive oil can guitar. Yeah. because it turned out that one of the little controllers wasn't even soldered on the inside. So I took it apart and I can repair it and solder it, but I just took a new one. So finally got the electronics worked out, got the strings on, and it works all. The only thing I have to come up with now is how to treat this. I can take it out for now, so, and it should be, you know, something you can take out, because whenever you need to be at the wires or whatever. So, but I don't have an idea yet of how to get this in the color, and I think I'm gonna make a sound hole in here. I don't want to cut up anything inside the box, so this is going in here. Then have a few screws so it's always removable, but now it's finding a way to make this blend in with the rest of the guitar. So, it's ready, the intonation is right, there are no buzzing frets wherever I put my finger. Well, as you've seen in the video before, I bruised 3 fingers, of which the middle one is the worst and it's black, so I can't use it too, so I got to use my other fingers. So I can't really demonstrate, but I got a little problem with Piezo. Normally I cut them off and there's no problem, and now I cut off two and both didn't work anymore. So I've got to figure out whether I have to solder the end, whether the little two copper plates in there need to make contact or should be separated, I don't know. But so I made this little tube over the long rod piezo and a little copper clip on it. It makes it look like a feature, and you can actually see through the acrylic that there is a rod piezo inside the bridge, not under the bridge but inside the bridge. So the headstock, finally I've got the 0 thread, and I made this little aluminium bracket with 3 holes in it, so the strings keep in their place and they are pushed down, and that works great. The sound holes, just some white plastic covers I had, and I never thought of using them because they're white, but because there's white on this guitar and the knobs are white and the tuners are white, I thought that would make just looks good. So another one that's working perfectly. I could take it to the studio and show you how it sounds when it's plugged in, but the video is already long, so I'm gonna make a little separate demo video and put that on our Lonesome Hill YouTube channel, which I only use for little things like testing out an instrument or something, or every now and then put a song on. But well, I'm not a very good singer and I can't play guitar, and certainly not at this moment, so I'll just try to do that as soon as possible. For now, I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And yeah, just use all the old stuff you can find and make something out of it. I'll put a link whenever I've got it on social media about the little demonstration of this guitar when it's amplified. And see you all in the next video. At the logo.